Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones Marshall Major 5 on your iPhone. And basically you have a few options how to check it. The first one we can use a widget, and the second one we can use an application. And let's get started by use the widget. So we need to create it. To create it you need to press and hold that empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top and add widget. After that scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it. Also you can use a search for it, and you need to write batteries here, and right here tap on it. You will see 3 presets and you need to select the best one for you. Let's say this one is okay, so you click add widget. And right here you can check a battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected with your phone. The second option, as I said previously, is to use an application, and you need to open Marshall Bluetooth application. If you add your headphones to the application, you will see the same menu. And right here at the left top we can see battery percentages. So this is the second option, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.